So recording was cut. So basically all you do is to get the Discord username is tap your profile link there, and there you go, you can see my username, and type it here. Alright, and all you do is copy and paste your BEP20 address or your Smart Chain Binance address. Alright, make sure it's a private key. Don't use any exchanges key wallet. So I'm using Trust Wallet. So tap this airdrop. So you could create many wallets as you want. Alright, then tap receive, tap Smart Chain, copy, paste it here, and send it there. Done. Alright, then go back to your Twitter page and get this retweet you've done, push the fish icon, then copy the retweet link. Alright, then subscribe to your YouTube channel, then submit your username or YouTube URL link. So mine is crypto agent, share, copy, paste it here. Okay. Congratulations. So I'm eligible to receive 2,160 C-list, and we want to check the balance. All you do is the top balance. See, withdraw when you can withdraw that. It begins on the 7th of December this year, and you can copy the URL link and you can share the blessings to someone, like your friends and family and relatives. So if you like this video, guys, please do share it, and show me some love to my channel, and the link on the description. Thanks.